Hello, welcome to my class again with me, Mr. Ori. Now we are going to talk about something. Are you curious? Yeah, I think so. So look at these pictures. There are two pictures showing here, the first and the second. Okay, so can you please tell me what happened in the pictures? Okay, so we can see the first picture. We can describe that one teacher is teaching, students are studying, maybe one of the students is talking, and here on the right side we have Miss Linda is teaching mathematics. Okay, sorry. Okay, so that is what happening in the class right now. Like, I is talking at the moment, we can say Miss Linda is teaching mathematics, or a teacher is teaching, and students are learning. Okay, so when we talk about something at the moment, or the process at the moment, or at the current time, in English, we can use present continuous tense. So I do believe that all of you have already learned this during grade 4 or maybe grade 5. So we talk about something which is happening. Example, I am eating now. So it means that you are eating, or I am teaching. Mr. Ori is teaching. You are learning. It means that it talks about something happening now. Okay, so now let's have a look and have a brief review about how the sentence is formed when we talk about something happening now. Here, affirmative or positive sentence. So for I, we can use verb am. I am working. It means that I am doing something. You are working. For he, she, it, we can use it, is. He is working, she is working, it is working, and we, you, and there, we can use are. We are working, you are working, and they are working. Okay, and it's also the same with negative and question 1. For negative, we just put not after the verb. I am not working, you are not working, and the question, we just invert it. The verb, the helping verb to the beginning of the sentence, like am I working, are you working? Okay, so that's the brief review. Okay, until this, do you have any question or do you understand? Okay, you can show you one finger if you don't get it and need help, or you can have 2 fingers if you need a little help, or if you got it, you can show us 3 fingers, and if you got it and if you can teach it to your friends, you can give me 4 fingers. Great. Now let's see what we have here. Okay, but actually the thing that something which is happening is not about topic that we are going to talk for today, but we are going to talk something else. So look at here, I think it's in the English Superman student book, page 49. So here there are schedules of a football player. Okay, we can see on Monday he's flying to Rome. You can check here, put true or false, or correct or incorrect here based on this schedule. Okay, let's see. You have 5 minutes to do that. Okay, I give you 5 minutes to do that here, to do checklist. Okay, so read the schedule and then put whether it is true or false. Are you done? Yes, I think so. So I think you are done. Now we are going to check the answers. All right. Who got all correct? You can raise your hand, but I cannot see you. I'm sorry. It's okay. Here, number 1, on Monday, he is flying to Rome. It is yes. Okay, let's check it. Okay, Monday, he is flying to Rome. Yeah, correct here. And the second one is no, it's false. And number 5 is yes, No and yes. Okay. Okay, so we use the present continuous tense. It's not only to talk about something which is currently happening, like I am teaching now. It means that currently is happening now, but we also use present continuous, like I am teaching, I am eating, or I am drinking, you are watching movies, example, to also talk about fixed arrangement in the near future. Fixed arrangements in the near future means that you certainly do it, okay? So you will not cancel it, so you certainly do it in the near future. It can be next Tuesday, next week, or on Saturday, or maybe on Sunday, so the near future. Example, Mary is studying at a new school next term. So Mary is studying at a new school, so it means that Mary will surely study at a new school next term. And what are you doing on Saturday? What are you doing on Saturday? We can say, I am watching movies on Saturday, or I am cooking with my mom on Saturday. All right. Oops, sorry. Okay, until this, do you get it? Show me 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers. Okay, great. Woohoo. Okay, let's make sure about your understanding here. Here, could you please look at the text here, story about Mila, and please underline the sentence that show the future arrangement. Okay, here. Have you spotted the sentence? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so let's see which sentence. Okay, now we are going rock climbing. Great. And we are meeting at the cafe next to the cliff at 10 o'clock. So you see here, so they are talking about the plan or arrangement, fixed arrangement, which is at this very specific time at 10 o'clock and specific place. Okay, here on Sunday, see, specific time. Okay, now if we want to put the, the sentence from the present tense to the present continuous, as I said earlier, we can put here the to be or helping verb plus ing. Example like Tony in the bracket, we have visit his grandparents on Sunday. We just put the helping verb is or am or are, and then verb ing transform from visit to visiting. Example, Tony is visiting to his grandparents on Saturday. Okay, here we have another sentence. We buy a new car next week. Please change it. We are buying a new car next week. And the second one, Tom and Amy is renting or are renting. Because Tom and Amy are 2 persons, it means that we use are. Tom and Amy are renting a house. And number 3, I am. Okay, I am not playing tennis at present. And number 4, you are not using the car this weekend. Your English is only one, right? Your English is getting better next year. Or is your English getting better next year? It is in the question form. And number 6, Tom is reading a book and Emma is watching TV now. Okay. All right, until this, do you get it or just still confused? Don't worry, if you're still confused, you can meet me on Zoom meeting, no problem. Don't hesitate to do that because I always stand by 26 hours, no problem. Okay, now I think, I think this is the most what I like. This is your turn. So on the comment section below this video, there are comment sections, right? And what you have to do is please write, what are you doing this weekend? Okay, at least 1 sentence. Once during 1 sentence, please write it down. Later I will check who have written the sentence and who hasn't written. Okay, so here I will give you the prompt. Like here, you can write example, I am writing a novel, or I am writing a story on, this weekend, or maybe I am buying some fruit or vegetable this weekend, or I am playing tennis this weekend. Okay, feedback session. All right, so here I think that's enough for our today materials. If you have any questions or feedback or any further discussions, let's have a meeting in a Zoom. So please join the Zoom. I will share you the link later. Thank you very much and see you. Bye.